Welcome to Logisec, your go-to YouTube channel dedicated to enhancing security and safety in the supply chain, logistics, and transportation sectors. We're here to provide valuable solutions and innovative ideas to help your teams reduce risks and improve operational security and safety. Join us as we explore strategies to protect your assets, ensure smooth operations, and tackle the challenges in this critical industry. Logistics and supply chains are the backbone of global trade. Goods are transported every day, from manufacturers to retailers, ensuring that products reach consumers on time. But there's a hidden challenge that disrupts this intricate web. Accidents. Accidents, whether on the road, at sea, or in warehouses, can bring the flow of goods to a halt. The consequences are far-reaching. When a vehicle crashes, shipments are delayed, routes are blocked, and goods can be damaged. This leads to missed deadlines, unhappy customers, and a loss of trust in the supply chain. Even minor accidents in warehouses can cause inventory losses, halt production lines, and disrupt daily operations. The ripple effect doesn't stop there. Delays in one part of the supply chain can cause shortages in other areas, leading to stockouts, inflated prices, and strained relationships between suppliers and customers. And let's not forget the financial costs. Repairing vehicles, replacing damaged goods, and paying for additional labor or rerouting shipments can all add up quickly. To mitigate these risks, companies must invest in better training, safety protocols, and technology. Predictive analytics, route optimization, and real-time tracking can help identify and prevent accidents before they happen. In a world where time is money, minimizing the impact of accidents on logistics and supply chains is essential for ensuring efficiency, customer satisfaction, and long-term success. We at Logisec are committed to provide our best support to the logistics and truck industry to minimize the accidents and manage the accidents. As it is said, prevention is always better than cure. We will soon bring many ideas as solution for all these problems in the industry. If you like our attempts, please like the video, subscribe, and share the video to your friends and industry groups.